guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and unboxing of the Nike Air Max 97. Before we get into this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, we want to see those likes, helps us greatly. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way. I just want to take this time and opportunity to thank subscribers, new and old. Without you guys, we can't do this. Thank you. Let's go. And today we've got a look at the Nike Air Max 97, and we got this in the obsidian gorge green colorway in the UK size 7.5. It's European 42. It is classed as a women's trainer. It's a US women's size 10, but for men's sizing it is a US 8.5. So today we've got a look at a new colorway for the Air Max 97, and it's right here for you. Very sleek design. If for those that don't know, to a lot of sneakerheads, the Air Max 95, the Air Max 97, well, we'll include Air Max 1, Air Max 90, traditionally the Air Max 3, Air Max 95 and Air Max 97, they're probably the greatest Air Maxes ever made. Sorry, Air Max 96 lovers, I'm not going to put it out there. You're severely underrated in my opinion, but I'd say the 97 just takes it for me. You got your classic colorways. Silver Bullet came out recently as well. Wasn't able to get a pair, but we got a pair of these Obsidians, and they're just as dope in hand as well. So we'll get into all the nitty gritty for you. So we'll start with the outsole. So we got all rubber outsole. You can kind of see a deviated form of the traditional waffle structure, and it's in this nice gum colorway. There, got the Nike Air Max, not Air Max, sorry, it's a Nike swoosh there as well in the middle. So the midsole unit, so apart from that foam you can see above in that white, you got the famous nearly, it's not a full-blown, it's not like a big Air Max unit, but you got a fairly chunky Air Max unit. You can see the window chamber as it is right there for you, because we've done bigger Air Max reviews. You can check out our like the Air Max 270. We've done tons of them. Check them out if you get a minute or want to see more of my lovely face. So yeah, check it out. But we got one of the classics, and we look at the upper. So going on to the upper, there's a lot of synthetic materials used here. Kind of, if you look closely, it's like a synthetic suede all around there. You can kind of see it. At the mudguard area, it's like very darker obsidian or blue. The swoosh right there in the gorge green, as it may. So you can see it in the lateral, and it's there again on the medial side. And you got that famous waves patterning of the Air Max 97. So this was inspired by the Japanese bullet trains. So you can kind of see the sleekness of it all there, and kind of like droplets. So if you look at it here from the top down, it looks like it's a ripple effect. So you've got the water droplets, like that kind of effect is what I want to say Christian Tresser, the designer of the Air Max 97, that's what he implied for when he designed these sneakers. So again, you can kind of see the ripple effects, which is dope. Looking at the tongue for a minute, you got a nicely padded tongue, again all in that textile materials, fast lacing system there, Nike swoosh there in the middle, pull tabs, you got pull tab in the tongue, and the heel unit, so the heel unit again, it's all that textiles just makes its way around the sneaker, pull tab in that green, and you got the classic Air Max logo right there. Inner, you got your textile insole with the Nike swoosh, and that rounds it off. Guys, this is an absolute classic. If you weren't able to get a pair of the Nike Air Max 97s in the Silver Bullet colorway, which is again instant classic. If you're able to get a pair. We were unable to, unfortunately, but this is dope in and of itself. Can't wait to try these on for you guys, so roll that footage of me trying these on. when it comes to the fit, guys, I recommend that you get your true to size 90 fit. Me being a UK size 7.5, these are the perfect fit. My toes are where they need to be, and these look really cool on. There we go. Very versatile wear. I forgot to mention that you can kind of see it because there's some light reflective, but it is they're very 3M reflective paneling there. You can kind of see it on those ripple effects there. That's just not on the toe guard. There. And they are very comfortable. Kind of tight fitting on though, but obviously give it a couple of wears, you'll be good as rain. You know, raindrops, no, cool. I'll keep the jokes to myself. Here you go for the 360. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end. If for those wondering what trousers I'm wearing Uniqlo cargo joggers from Uniqlo. And yeah, follow us on Instagram. Till next time guys, peace.